Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your collision mitigation system in your 2019 Acura ILX A-Spec. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And once you do, you're going to have a button right here that says off, with two cars kind of crashing, if you can kind of see that. So by default, this vehicle has that option on, but if you do, for some reason, would like to turn it off, you do have an option. So all you have to do is to hold this button for a couple seconds, and it's going to pop up on your screen that the option is off. As you can see right there, collision mitigation braking system is off, and it's highlighted in orange saying that the feature is off. If you would like to have it on, of course, hold the button a couple more seconds and the system will turn on again. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.